Flask SqlAlchemy MySql Boolean type always returns true. I have a Flask application connected to a MySql DB using SqlAlchemy. The table has 3x Boolean bit fields as shown below. Each of the bit fields has a value set to 0. The SqlAlchemy model for this is the code to retrieve the values is here. The values are always returned as true even though they are set to false in the DB. The returned values can be seen here. Does anybody have any idea what's causing this?
I figured out a fix for this. Changing the field data type from bit to tiniant for each Boolean field did the trick. I'm still none the wiser as to why bit doesn't work with SqlAlchemy. Maybe it's the version of MySql Python I'm using.
For those who come across this thread without finding the solid solution for this, I fixed this issue by changing the MySql connector to MySql connector from PyMySql. I was lost for a long time making this work. Didn't know the connector would be the issue.
If this is the trick, this is fun.